welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Fire broke out at the sets of Adipurush. Now the shoot for the film had started on 2nd of February. On the same day, about at 4 p.m, a fire broke out where about 60 people were working. Now the main people, that is Prabhas and Saif Ali Khan, were not at the sets. However, as soon as the fire broke out, about 4 to 5 fire engines were brought to the sets, and it is said that the sets has been completely burnt, which will take another few days to rebuild the set. So now it was not a great start for Adipurush. However, people have been wishing good luck to the team and to make the film as soon as possible. Side art fame Akash Thoshal now joins Abhay Deol's 1962 The War in the Hills, which will be directed by Mahesh Manjrekar and will be premiered on Disney Plus Hotstar. Now 1962 The War in Hills will be based on the true stories from the 1962 India-China War, where about 125 Indian armies stood against 3,000 Chinese and fought the war. Now this is not really going to be about the war, but the untold story of the bravery of the soldiers who fought the war for India. Side art fame Akash Thoshal was really happy to be a part of it and told that he always wanted to be either in police force or army force, for which he had even tried before entering the film industry. Rakhi Sawant is back in news. Of course, she is in the Bigg Boss house, and this time she was found crying and confessing to Rahul Vaidya that her husband, her mystery husband, who was not yet come in light, nobody has seen it, was already married and had a children before getting married to her. Now this is doing rounds on social media and every Bigg Boss fan is speaking of the same. Kangana Ranaut took to her Instagram stories yesterday to tell that she has gifted about 4 flats to her sibling and sister Rangoli Chandel, and also Akshat, her cousin, and 2 other cousins that she did not take the name. So apparently she bought 4 flats worth ₹4 crore in Chandigarh, and she also said that always her siblings wanted to buy a property in Chandigarh, and it was a dream, and fulfilling that dream was one of the biggest things that she could do for her family. Speaking of sibling love, Deepika Padukone took to Instagram account to share a very unique birthday post for her sister Anisha Padukone. Now taking to Instagram, the actress wrote, "Thank you for being the anchor in my life and for keeping me grounded, yet always knowing when to keep me afloat." Now this is going viral on social media. Despite Deepika Padukone being the eldest sibling, a younger sibling keeping her grounded is something people are talking about right now. Bombay High Court now continues the interim order that was passed by a lower court extending the time for Kangana Ranaut to settle things with the BMC in the case where it was claimed that she has done illegal constructions in her flats in Khar. Now this date has been extended until February 5th, before which the actress will have to speak to BMC and settle the case. There is another update in Sushant Singh Rajput case. Now recently the NCB has detained Hrishikesh Pawar, one of the closest friends of Sushant Singh Rajput when he was alive and also a former assistant director. Now apparently Hrishikesh was on run for the last 1 month. NCB was issuing him summons again and again, but he never showed up. However, the NCB had also raided his house and found a few gadgets, and it is claimed that Hrishikesh used to procure drugs and supply drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput when he was alive. Now finally the NCB has detained him and interrogation is underway. Just a few weeks ago, Priyanka Chopra Jonas was heard saying that she wants a cricket team with Nick Jonas when it comes to family planning. She meant she needs as many babies as possible with Nick Jonas. Now it was time for Nick Jonas to confess the same. Recently talking to a media portal, Nick Jonas confessed that he wants as many babies with Priyanka Chopra, and whenever the journey will begin, it is going to be a beautiful one. And one thing that entire world is talking about right now is Rihanna tweeting about the farmers' protest in India, for which now Kangana Ranaut has also reacted and said that they are not farmers but terrorists, and she has asked Rihanna to sit quietly if she does not know what is happening. Now this is trending on social media, and various reactions from various celebrities including Swara Bhaskar and Diljit Dosanjh praising Rihanna for voicing against the issue is trending on Twitter. Well, these were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.